Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Magic of One Click. So today we are going to type 31st program. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad. So we'll open it. Now we'll type the program. The new thing in this program is about the special character symbol. We'll start with HTML tag, head tag, title tag. We'll give title special character in HTML, and we'll end the title tag. Now we'll end the head tag. Now we'll start body tag. We'll write address here. BR means break tag. We'll start break tag once again. Here we write phone number. And we'll again start break tag. Now we'll end the p tag. We'll end body tag and HTML tag. Now we'll just save it with the extension HTML and in all files. Now let us check the output. So there is the basic output, the special character, this telephone sign.